What does NASA stand for? NASA stand for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Which of the following is the correct expansion of UNICEF, UNICEF? United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF. What does FBI stand for? Federal Bureau of Investigation. What does WHO represent? WHO represent the World Health Organization. What does ISRO stand for in India? Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO.